Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning data, reports and dashboards. Airtable, Google Data Studio, Google Sheets formulas. Goal: learn how to build and manage data tracking systems for reporting, performance tracking, and client transparency. Section 1. Why data matters in virtual support. As a virtual assistant or client support specialist, one of your core responsibilities may include tracking client KPIs, key performance indicators, team performance, social media or campaign analytics, operational tasks, projects, meetings, deliverables, finance reports, invoices, expenses, earnings. A professional dashboard allows you to present reports to clients in a visual and easy-to-read format. Make data-driven decisions. Monitor growth and pain points. Section 2. Data Structure 101. Before choosing a tool, understand how data flows. Raw data, unorganized, emails, notes, spreadsheets. Processed data, organized into tables, rows, and columns. Visual data, converted into graphs, KPIs, or dashboards for easy reading. Section 3. Google Sheets, the core of lightweight data systems. Google Sheets remains the most accessible data tool. Learn to use it as a tracker, task, social media, finance. A lightweight dashboard with graphs. A calculator, using formulas. Key formulas to know. Equals sum, range, add values. Equals average, range, get average. Equals if, logic, true, false, conditional logic. Equals count if, range, condition, count values based on a condition. Equals VLOOKUP, value, table, call underscore index, false, lookup related data from another sheet. Equals import range, spreadsheet underscore URL, range underscore string, pull data from another sheet. Equals query, data, query, headers, powerful SQL-like searches inside sheets. Dashboard elements you can build in Google Sheets. Pie charts, e.g., task completion by category. Line graphs, e.g., weekly performance trends. Bar graphs, e.g., client satisfaction ratings. Conditional formatting for visual status updates. You can build a weekly report template with dropdowns, data input, and automated summaries. Section 4. Airtable, a modern spreadsheet plus database. Why use it? Combines spreadsheet logic with a database feel. Beautiful interface for presenting data. Includes views, grid, Kanban, calendar, gallery, form. Use cases. Project tracking by status and deadline. Team task assignments. Client feedback database. Inventory or resource library. Key features. Linked records, connect one table to another, e.g., clients' projects. Views, filter or group by status, category, person. Forms, intake forms, feedback collection. Automations, notify team when status changes, auto-remind for due dates. Suggested Airtable dashboard templates. Content planning system. Client task and progress tracker. Monthly report summary for retainer clients. CRM-lite database with notes, files, follow-up logs. Section 5. Google Data Studio, now Looker Studio. Why use it? For advanced dashboards and report visuals, pulling live data from Google Sheets, Google Analytics, YouTube, etc. Key steps. Visit datastudio.google.com. Click blank report. Choose Google Sheets as your data source. Use charts to build. Scorecards, KPIs. Line and bar charts. Tables with color coding. Add filters to make dashboards interactive. Share via link or export as PDF for clients. Example use cases. Monthly engagement reports for a client's Instagram or YouTube, with data fed in from a Google Sheet. Project completion dashboard for client teams. Weekly performance report for team leads. Section 6. Choosing the right tool based on the task. Task. Best tool. Track tasks and deadlines. Airtable/Google Sheets. Build client financial summary. Google Sheets. Create an interactive visual report. Google Data Studio. Present insights to a client weekly. Google Data Studio or Airtable. Build a centralized project board. Airtable. Section 7. Templates and ready-to-use resources. Google Sheets template. Task tracker plus weekly summary dashboard. Social media analytics tracker. Income and expense monthly breakdown. Airtable template links. VA client tracker, projects, tasks, communication. KPI dashboard, goals, actuals, trends. Form submission review board. Google Data Studio template. Connects with Google Sheet for VA weekly check-in reports. Editable elements, time tracked, tasks completed, issues flagged. Would you like these provided in download links or embedded in your platform? Section 8. Class activity. Choose one tool, Sheets, Airtable, or Data Studio. Build a dashboard or report layout for one area, e.g., task completion, income tracking, client satisfaction. Submit a screenshot or video walkthrough to the group. Bonus: if you already manage client data, build your real client dashboard and anonymize it for practice. Class outcome. By the end of this class, you should know how to design dashboards and reports. Confidently organize, clean, and present data. Build templates for future client use. Automate reporting processes and streamline your digital workspace. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.